Last box of the break, 2015 Topps Fire. Gonna have 2 autos. And it looks like about 20 packs or so. Yep, 20 packs, 2 hits, 2 autos. 2015 Topps Fire. Pack number 1. Base. Oh, nice. Couple nice ones. Got Marcus Mariota, some kind of parallel looks like, for the Titans. Not numbered. Marcus Mariota for the Titans. Jarvis Landry, looks like a chrome parallel. On Fire parallel, not numbered, for the Dolphins. And a rookie for the Dolphins, Devontae Parker. Devontae Parker for the Dolphins. Pack number 2. Oh, nice. Got a couple shiny ones. Rookie for the Rams, Sean Mannion. Numbered out of 199. Sean Mannion out of 199. Some kind of parallel. Nice one. Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Not numbered though. Nice and shiny. Tony Lippett, rookie for the Dolphins. Tony Lippett. And, oh, nice. Marcus Mariota, rookie for the Titans. So that's 2 Mariota rookies. Next pack. Looks like there's going to be our first auto. Try not to sneak who it was. First one is a Le'Veon Bell Chrome, not numbered. And it's going to be an auto. Our first one, auto jersey for the Falcons, Justin Hardy, numbered out of 500. Nice looking card though. Justin Hardy for the Falcons out of 500. There's auto number 1 down. Knock that one out early. Base. Couple shinies. Devontae Parker, rookie for the Dolphins, not numbered. Shiny though. Matt Ryan, shiny, not numbered. That must be the On Fire parallel. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. And a rookie for the Steelers, Alvin Dupree. Alvin Dupree for the Steelers. Still have quite a few packs left. Only 1 auto left though. Got some shiny, some colors. Devontae Adams, red shiny, not numbered. Ronnie Lott, that one's numbered out of 499 for the 49ers. Ronnie Lott out of 499. Rookie for the Chargers, Melvin Gordon. Melvin Gordon. And a rookie for the Jags, Rashad Green. Rashad Green. So I'll skip the base. I think they call them the On Fire parallels unless they're numbered. Let's see if I can. That's numbered. That's not numbered. Alright. None of those are numbered. Insert for the Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Russell Wilson. Travis Kelce. I don't think that one was numbered. Nope, Travis Kelce. And a Leonard Williams. Rookie for the Jets, Leonard Williams. Okay. Alright. It's a nice looking one. Not numbered. Got a Tom Brady. Some kind of insert for the Patriots. Not numbered. Tom Brady for the Patriots. And the rookie is Bryce Petty for the Jets. Bryce Petty. Alright. Let's see if I can. So there is one numbered one. I think those are rookies. Got a Mike Singletary for the Bears. Parallel out of 50. Nice one. Can't really tell the difference between all the different parallels though. Mike Singletary for the Bears out of 50. Rookie for the Steelers, Sammy Coates. Sammy Coates. And a rookie for the 49ers, Mike Davis. Still have quite a few packs left. Have one auto remaining. See if anything's numbered. Oh, nice one. Alright, got a Jameis Winston for the Bucks. Not numbered. Jameis Winston for the Bucks. And a Dorial Green Beckham for the Titans. Dorial Green Beckham. Next one. Rookie, not numbered. Rookie for the Ravens, Breshad Perriman. Not numbered. Breshad Perriman for the Ravens. And for the Dolphins, Jay Ajayi. Jay Ajayi. Still looking for the last auto. Panther, not numbered. Got a insert for the Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Kelvin Benjamin, not numbered. And the rookie is Sammy Coates for the Steelers. Sammy Coates. Next one. Oh, that looks like a cool one. Not numbered though. Got a insert for the Falcons, Devin Hester. Devin Hester. Rookie for the Steelers, Alvin Dupree. And a rookie for the Raiders, Clive Walford. Clive Walford. Let's see. Looks like we got eight packs left. Still looking for the last auto. Andrew Luck, nothing numbered. Yeah. Got an Andrew Luck insert for the Colts. Andrew Luck, not numbered. And a Devin Funchess rookie for the Panthers. Devin Funchess. Next one, see if that's numbered. Nothing numbered. Just a rookie. Jeremy Langford for the Bears. Backwards one, slip you to the back. Two rookies and a backwards one should be our last auto. Rookie for the Packers, Ty Montgomery. Not numbered. Ty Montgomery. Rookie for the Browns, Duke Johnson. Duke Johnson. And should be our last hit. Oh, nice. Nice for the Lions. Amir Abdullah. Nice. I like that one because I'm a Lions fan. Amir Abdullah. Oh, nice. Numbered out of 99. Not sure if that's a parallel auto or not. Nice one, though. Amir Abdullah for the Lions. That's the first one we pulled of him. Nice. We got 5 packs left. No hits remaining. Numbered. Got a Gronk insert for the Patriots. And the rookie is T.J. Yeldon for the Jags. T.J. Yeldon. 4 packs left. Not much numbered stuff in here. Hopefully we can hit something numbered though. Couple of rookies. Insert for the Chargers, LaDainian Tomlinson. And a rookie for the Packers, Brett Hundley, not numbered. And a rookie for the Colts, Josh Robinson. 3 packs left. Bengals, who's that? Not numbered. AJ Green for the Bengals. Insert. Kind of cool looking insert. And the rookie is Brashad Perriman for the Ravens. 2 packs left. No more hits remaining. Oh, nice. Cool looking one. Bradford, not numbered. Got a Dan Marino for the Dolphins. Insert. Not numbered. Danny Marino. And the rookie, Jalen Strong for the Texans. All right, last pack, empty box. Not going to be a hit. Hopefully something nice, though. Not numbered. Couple rookies. Mike Davis for the 49ers. And a Kevin White rookie for the Bears. So that does it for Fire.